Hello guys, welcome to Angular materials series. In this tutorial I will show you how to add Paginator component from Angular material in your Angular project. Are you ready? Let's get started. What is Paginator? Paginator provides navigation for paged information, typically used with the table. As you can see here, how we can add, for example, you can choose your page 5, page 10, 25, 100, and from here you can turn to the next page, page 9, 10. How we can add this in your Angular project. So I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code, and this is my Angular project, a simple project, and you can create also. So I'm going to remove everything, and now let's run ng serve. By ng serve you can run your Angular project. And now let's host a local host for 1200. As you can see, the project is empty, there is nothing. How we can add Paginator? So you should open your app.component.html and go to this website, material.angular.io, and first you should actually install Angular material in your Angular project. Then after that you can click on component, and the left side we have all the component, and you can use Paginator. Click on that. So if you don't know how to install Angular material in your Angular project, please watch the previous video, and then after that you can learn how you can install Angular material in your Angular project. So once you installed, click on Paginator and click view code. This is the code. Just copy the markup and paste in your app.component.html. Okay, this is the first thing, and then after that you should click on API and import mat Paginator module in your app.module.ts. Open this file and import it here. Once you import, you should also add in your import array here mat Paginator. That's it. Save it and also save it. Let's see the result. As you can see, I add the Paginator component in your Angular project. As you can see, you can turn to the next page. That's how you can actually add the Paginator component in your Angular project. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section, and if you're new here, please do subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video.